Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marlene. Today, I'm gonna show you how to remove the copyright song or music on your video. First, go to YouTube Studio. Click, go to your videos. Ayun, nakikita na yung copyright claim. Dalawa ang may copyright claim. And then see details. Click yung see details. Next. Not affected ka na. The content ID claim on your video doesn't affected your channel. This is not. Oh, hindi daw affected, pero mas maganda alisin ko na lang yung sounds para mas safe. After that, pipiliin mo yung go to your select. Ayun. Select action. Wala akong mouse na itong touchpad ko. Ayun, mayroon siyang pagpipilian doon kung i-trim mo or replace or mute song. Ang gagawin ko, i-mute ko siya. And then what's there? Yeah. Mute all sound when song plays. So, saan na yung mute nyan? Ayan. Continue. Press, click the continue. And then, mute all when song plays. Mute. Processing video. Yan, wait natin siya. Balik daw. This process might be a while. You may close this window and check back later. Okay. We'll come back later. After 3 minutes, ayan na po siya. Nawala na yung processing, sabi niya. Tapos, i-check nyo kung naalis na yung copyright. Kanina, dalawa yung may copyright claim. Ngayon, ayun, naalis na siya yung pangalawa. Yung squirrel and the bread. Ganun lang po siya. Thank you for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo. Don't forget to subscribe sa mga bago sa aking channel. And press the bell para ma-notify kayo sa on my next video. Thank you. God bless. Bye.